Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. In this video, I want to show you my first aid kit. This is another video in my series of my backpacking kits. Kits that I have in my backpacks that are organized kits of different things. This is my first aid kit. Okay, and actually this goes with it. Just didn't fit in here. Okay, my thoughts on a first aid kit. Everybody's different, but I feel that it's so important to have a first aid kit no matter where you go. Again, if you're going to go for a hike, if you're going to go for a ramble in the woods or out in the desert or an adventure anywhere, have something. Have some kind of backpack. Small backpack, bigger backpack, huge backpack, sling bag, a waist pack, a pouch, something, some kind of little survival kit, or even just have things in your pocket. I have lots of things in my pocket for survival and stuff, but at least have something. And I think it's so important to have a first aid kit no matter what, whether it's a small one or a big one. And I know this is just my personal opinion, but a lot of people are okay with just taking, a couple of Band-Aids and some Tylenol as their first aid kit, boo-boo kit. Well, I just like to be prepared. You don't know what's going to happen. I mean, you could just have Band-Aids, but what if you cut a leg off? I mean, what if you get a bee stung or snake bite or a heat stroke or sunburn, What if somebody else is hurt and you can help them, and all you have is Band-Aids and Tylenol? So I think it's important to have a full first aid kit, okay? And they can be small. This isn't that big, and it doesn't weigh that much, and yet I have a lot of stuff in here. I just think it's really important to have a full first aid kit. Now, you can buy them. My personal opinion, again, all this in my videos, it's just my personal opinion, just things I've learned and just things I know, but take it with a grain of salt. But I don't think that the ones that you buy are that great. Now, you can buy kits and you can add to them and all that stuff, but I think it's better just to make your own kit. Okay, you can save money and have it better, actually. But or you can start with one you buy and then add to it, change it, whatever. But the thing is, a lot of the pre-made first aid kits out there, I mean, they might say there's 75 items in there, 150 items, 300 items, but 90% of it is Band-Aids. Seriously. And how many Band-Aids do you need? You need other things. So I think it's good to make your own kits, and that's what I do. I get the little pouches and military surplus, just things that I have, and I just put stuff in there. And this is one of them. Now, I'm not going to take everything out because there's a lot of stuff packed in here, and it'll take me an hour to put it all back. But you can kind of see everything. I have a lot of stuff in here, okay? And again, you can make your own kits. Just think about what's common sense, what would be good to have, okay? So, all right, what I have in here, I have Band-Aids in here. I have bandages in here. I have medical tape. I have ointment in here. I have like stuff for bee stings and rashes. I have antiseptic wipes in here. I have another lighter in here for emergency. I have a little knife in here. I have a needle in here. I have a little syringe in here. I have safety pins in here. I have a mirror in here. I have a whistle in here. I have a whole bunch of medications in here. I have Tylenol, ibuprofen, and NyQuil, and Benadryl. Some other different ones. I have a little scissors in here. I have a tweezer in here. I have a fingernail clipper in here. Different kinds of bandages, different kinds of Band-Aids, and I have a little guide in here to tell us some basic first aid you can do, steri strips, I can't even see it all, different kinds of ointments and medications, and all different things. There's probably 20 more things in here. I can't see it all. There's a lot of different things in here. But, you can Google and just see what's good to have in a first aid kit. All the different things that you would need. Actually, I have another side thing. Oh, that one's full too. Oh, I have an emergency blanket and hand warmers and feet warmers. Yeah. I mean, all kinds of stuff in this kit. And, again, it's small. I actually got this one on a truck stop. It's like a military surplus, but it's got the mollies on here. You can attach it to packs and stuff, and then a patch. I think this is a 511 first aid patch. They have just so it's easy. If I get hurt and somebody grabs my pack, they can find this easy in my pack. And to go with that, I have a tourniquet. a good tourniquet that I got, a military surplus. It's brand new. It's a cat tourniquet. You know, and yeah, that's my first aid kit. And the thing is, also, you need to know how to use these. And I admit, there's some different things I don't know. I learned years ago. I took basic first aid and CPR and stuff, and I learned that stuff. I want to get, learn all that stuff again. I want to be able to use the different things in my first aid kit and be able to help somebody else in an emergency situation. So it's really important to carry stuff and have gear, but you need to know how to use it too. That's really important. So yeah, so that is my first aid kit. And again, I think it's easy, and I think it's wise to make your own and have a lot of stuff in there. Because you don't know what's going to happen, so have a lot of different things so you're ready for any emergency and you're prepared. So yeah, that's my first aid kit. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please, again, comment and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And yeah, let me know what you think of my first aid kit. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video.